This year's livestream is happening on Gatherly, a unique and immersive digital space that feels real. I'm Adib, and in this short video, I'll show you exactly what attending the conference remotely will look and feel like. Let's get started. First things first. Upon clicking on the join link, you'll see a request to grant permissions for your camera and microphone. Then, you'll be able to put in your name, email, and even take a picture to act as your in-event avatar. As soon as you join, you'll populate right here in the hybrid hall. Here, the live feed from the in-person event will be displayed for the entire duration of this virtual event. You can engage with others in the chat, but you and everyone else remains unseen while on this floor because the live stream will be displaying, like I said, for the entire time. Here's where it gets really cool. Just below the map area that's currently displaying broadcast in progress, you'll find the elevator button. When you click it, you'll notice this digital venue has several floors, and all the other floors are open for real-time networking and exploring. Let's check them out. Simply click on where you want to go, and you'll immediately be transported there. Moving around is the best part. On the top right corner of your screen, you'll notice the mini-map. Now, you can click on the floor to navigate to that location. Now remember, just click on where you want to go to navigate. Dragging your avatar will not work. And you can also click on any one of these tables. If you get close enough to somebody else in the venue, boom. The video feeds will activate on the left-hand side of your screen and you'll be in a chat. Hi, Tio.
Hello, Adib.
On the bottom of your screen, you'll find areas to control your camera, microphone, and all the other familiar tools. Now, the exhibition floors each feature unique vendors, and as you can see, there are many of them here. Each booth features direct links to those vendors and their products and their services, and many of them may have representatives waiting for us inside them. I encourage you to visit all of them during the conference.
Hi, Adi.
So, those are the basics. Prepare yourself for a social day where you'll be able to meet people, visit vendor booths, listen to live broadcasts, and best of all, really connect with others. My name's Adib, this is Gatherly, and see you at the conference.